usually is greater than 2 or otherwise. So probability was to be calculated for -1 to 2. So integral will be taken from -1 to 2, but we do not have the function for -1 to 0, and then for 0 to 2 we can have the integral. Then x less than equal to half means 0 to half, greater than equal to half means half to 2, and distribution function. For the distribution function we use the formula minus infinity to x f of x dx or f of v dv, and later on we integrate it up to x. I told you that whenever we have the distribution function to be calculated, it is to be done up to x. So it will be from minus infinity to x, that means 0 to x. And accordingly we integrate the function. Integration of the function is v square by 2. So after putting down the limit, we get the answer as x square by 4. For the starting range, yeah, up to the starting range, the value is 0. For the existing range, the value is in the form of x, and for the x beyond the given range, the sum of the function or the distribution function will always be 1, and that is how we write down the distribution for the given capital F of x. This was the example wherein the function was given to you as x by 2. The other example, which is again related to the continuous random variable, a continuous random variable having the density function f of x is equal to c e to the power minus 3x, where x is greater than equal to 0 and 0 for x less than 0. Means up to 0, the value of the function is 0. For 0 onwards till upper bound पता है कि यहाँ पे क्या है? No, we consider it as infinity. Nothing is mentioned, so we take it as infinity. अपने को second point ये याद रखना है कि whenever there is a negative index and value is up to infinity, not to worry, it will still have a finite value as the answer. So accordingly, we will be moving ahead with the finite quantity as the answer, not to worry in the integration. Though x is greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0 में 0 से आगे कहां तक पता नहीं, तो कहां तक जाएंगे अपन? इंफिनिटी तक जाएंगे. First thing what they have asked us to calculate is constant c, then probability for the range 1 less than equal to x less than 2, probability for x greater than equal to 3, probability for x less than 2, and finally the distribution function. So this can be the type or kind of the example wherein we can easily calculate the value. Now what to do for calculation of constant c? Which kind of function this is? In the question itself they have mentioned that it is a continuous random variable. So for a continuous random variable, what is the condition to be fulfilled? F of x is greater than equal to 0, and second condition क्या है? Integral from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to, what is the condition?
1.
1. It is integral from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So, but do we have the range from minus infinity? No. Our starting point is for the function. What is the starting point for the function? Greater than equal to 0 means what is the starting point of the function? Starting point of the function is 0 onwards, right? So we know that integral from minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1, but minus infinity to 0 the function does not exist. 0 to infinity the value of the function exists, and what is the value of the function? The value of function is c into e to the power minus 3x, and that is to be equated with 1. C outside, integration of e to the power minus 3x, e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3, put the limit 0 to infinity to be equated with 1. E to the power minus infinity is 0, e to the power 0 is 1. यहाँ पर मैंने -3 को भी बाहर ले लिया. This to be substituted with the help of the limits e to the power minus infinity minus e to the power 0. E to the power minus infinity is 0. E to the power 0 is 1. So this becomes -1. So what is the value of c coming out as? If you cross multiply, the value of c comes out to be 3. तो अभी अपना function क्या define हो गया? Our function is defined as f of x is equal to 3 e to the power minus 3x for x greater than equal to 0 and 0 for x less than 0. That is how the function f of x is defined as. So in this case, whatever is the integration to be done, it will be from minus infinity to infinity equated with 1. But minus infinity to 0 तक अपना function defined नहीं है. Our function range starts from greater than equal to 0. So integration will be taken from 0 to infinity. And the value of the function is c into e to the power minus 3x. Integration of e to the power minus 3x is e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3, and hence I can find out the value of c as 3. Integration करिएगा, put the limit, you get the answer. This is e to the power minus infinity. E to the power minus infinity is 0. Secondly, what is the probability to be calculated? Probability for a less than x less than b. It is ultimately integral between a to b. This is how the probability is calculated, right? This is we are aware of. So probability between 1 to 2 is nothing but integral 1 to 2 of f of x dx. Now our function is greater than equal to 0. 1 and 2 are obviously greater than 0. So we can continue with that function. So between the range 1 to 2, our value of the function will be c e to the power minus 3x. But c का value मैं निकाल चुका हूँ, that is 3 into e to the power minus 3x. 3 outside, integration of to be done only of the term e to the power minus 3x. Integration of the term e to the power minus 3x is e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. Integration to be done between 1 to 2. So that will be 3 upon minus 3, and this is the integration. So this value comes out to be e to the power minus 3 minus e to the power minus 6. If you calculate it, it will come in decimal, which will be always less than 1. For the range x greater than 3. Greater than 3 means 3 to upper limit nahi pata. So what is the highest value it can take? The highest value it can take is infinity. So we will be integrating it between the range 3 to infinity. The function will be taken again as c into e to the power minus 3x, because given function is greater than equal to 0 के लिए exist होता है. 3 is obviously greater than equal to 0. So accordingly, between 3 to infinity, the function is 3 e to the power minus 3x. 3 outside, e to the power minus 3x का integration will be e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. Put the limits between 3 to infinity. Upper limit is e to the power minus infinity, which is 0, and 3 3s are 9, e to the power minus 9. So final answer comes out to be e to the power minus 9, which is approximately 0.0001, which is greater than 0 but less than 1. So this is how we have got the probability for x greater than equal to 3. For x less than 2, what is the upper limit over here? 2. And lower limit उसका कहां तक जा सकता है? लोअर लिमिट का स्टार्टिंग कहां से है? 0 से है. इंफिनिटी माइनस इंफिनिटी से नहीं है, 0 से फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट हो रहा है. So I will be taking the range as 0 to 2 f of x dx. So how to integrate between the range 0 to 2? See outside, integration of e to the power minus 3x is e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. फंक्शन ऑलरेडी मैंने डिफाइन कर लिया था 3 टू द पावर माइनस 3x. आप हमेशा c मत लिखो, यू गो विद द फंक्शन 3 टू द पावर माइनस 3x. सो 3 आउटसाइड, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर माइनस 3x, e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. Value of this integration, put the upper limit as 2. E to the power minus 3 into 2 is e to the power minus 6. E to the power 0 is 1. So value of this integration after calculation comes out to be 1 minus e to the power minus 6. If you simplify it, approximately it is giving you 0.9975. So I can say that it is obviously less than equal to 1 or approximately equal to 1. So value of this probability or value of the probability for the given function is still less than or equal to 1. Is the point clear up till now? How we have calculated the respective probabilities as per the given range? Function अभी greater than equal to 0 होने के कारण it was feasible for us to get the probabilities for each and every value, because all the values which are asked to us are greater than 0. Is this point clear? Is the integration clear? Everywhere the function is e to the power minus 3x, and we know that integration of e to the power minus 3x is e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. ये बात क्लियर है क्या सभी को? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now lastly what they have asked us, they have asked us to find the distribution function. अभी distribution function के लिए what is the formula? It is minus infinity to x f of v dv, right? Now what is the starting range of here the function? It is f of v dv. The starting range of the function is from 0. For less than 0 the value will be 0. For range greater than 0 till x it will be in the form of x. और आखिरी में आपका आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? 1 आना चाहिए. So minus infinity to x f of v dv, 0 to x, as I told you our range starts from greater than equal to 0. So integration will be taken from 0 to x, and value of the function is written as 3 e to the power minus 3x. So 3 outside, integration of e to the power minus 3x is e to the power minus 3x upon minus 3. Put the limits as 0 to x. When you put x as x, your answer is e to the power minus 3x. e to the power 0 कितना आता है? 1. तो मेरा फंक्शन क्या बनता है? फंक्शन कम्स आउट टू बी 1 लेस देन 1 माइनस e to the power minus 3x. अभी हाउ टू राइट डाउन? by distributing it in the distribution function. For the given range up to 0, up to 0 means कहां से कहां तक जाएगा? minus infinity to 0, the value of the function will be 0, and from 0 to infinity पूरा कवर हो गया यहाँ पर infinity तक, the value of the distribution function will be 1 minus e to the power minus 3x. अभी there is no number beyond infinity. If there would have been any constant quantity, after that I would have written it as 1, but there is no other quantity which is greater or beyond infinity. तो मेरा आंसर यहीं तक रहेगा. What it will be? The function will be 1 minus e to the power minus 3x. If there would have been any constant, so last step अपन क्या लिखते? 1 for x greater than that particular constant quantity. But here the highest range of the real number is covered. What is the extreme end of the real number line on the right hand side? It is infinity. So this is particularly valid for the range 0 less than x less than infinity. So that is how we will be writing down by bifurcating the given distribution function for the different range. तो अपना range 0 से start हो रहा था function. So minus infinity to 0, the function does not exist. Therefore its value is 0. For 0 up to infinity, the value will be written as 1 minus e to the power minus 3x. So this is the way of writing down the distribution function. So we have seen the examples related to the distribution function wherein we calculate the values for the given function. And how is the function given over here? The function was given to you as c e to the power minus 3x. The function given to you in this particular example was c e to the power minus 3x. I hope this example is clear to everybody. How we have proceeded and found out the answer. Can we move to the next? Yes. Now see, the pattern of calculation will always be same. Only क्या change होते रहेगा? Your function or the probability density function will be keep on changing. Accordingly, we have to find out the answer. आपको बस question में क्या ध्यान में रखना है कि what data is provided and what you have to calculate. This is what they are expecting from us. Here, the distribution function of a random variable x is given by what is provided here. It is not the density function small f of x, it is the distribution function capital F of x. ठीक है? So distribution function capital F of x is given by cx cube, which is valid for the range 0 less than x less than 3. The value for x greater than 3 is 1, and for x less than 0 the value is 0. If probability at x equal to 3 is 0, find constant c, the density function which is denoted by small f of x, probability for x greater than 1, probability between 1 less than x less than 2, probability for 0 less than x less than 2. This is what they are demanding from us to calculate the value. Question समझ में आ गया क्या? Instead of small f of x, what is given over here?
capital F of x.
What does capital F of x represent?
Distribution
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
function.
फंक्शन. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन पर से डेंसिटी फंक्शन कैसे निकालते हैं?
Sir,
डिफरेंशिएट
ddx.
करके. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन गिव्स यू द डेंसिटी फंक्शन. ये c वगैरह कब निकलेगा? व्हेन यू नो द डेंसिटी फंक्शन. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन द सॉल्यूशन?
डेंसिटी फंक्शन ढूंढना है.
Yes. So we know that small f of x is equal to d dx of capital F of x. And what is the derivative of capital F of x? Cx cube. The derivative of cx cube is c into 3x square. So how is the function defined over here? Cx square for 0 less than x less than 3. What is derivative of 1?
Zero.
Derivative of 1, 0. Derivative of 0, 0. So after this range, what the value of the density function will be? 0 otherwise. यानी ये रेंज के लिए भी बोलो और ये रेंज के लिए बोलो, दोनों के लिए वैल्यू ऑफ द डेंसिटी फंक्शन क्या हो रहा है? 0, because derivative of constant 1 is 0. Derivative of 0 is 0. So what is the way or how is the way of writing down the density function? Writing down density function f of x is 3cx square for the range 0 less than equal to x less than 3 and 0 otherwise. Is this clear? How we have written? आप बोलोगे कि फंक्शन में तो 1 भी दिया था, but yes, derivative of 1 कितना होता है? 0. For this particular range, the density function is 0. For this particular range, the density function is 0. So overall, for all other cases except this range, the density function is 0. तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगा उसको? f of x is equal to 3cx square 0 less than x less than 3 0 otherwise. Is this clear? Now मैं c का वैल्यू निकालूंगा. How to calculate the value of c? The value of c is minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. This is the rule or this is the axiom of the probability. But मेरा range कहां से कहां तक start हो रहा है? Instead of minus infinity to infinity, the density function is available for the range or it is valid for the range what? 0 to 3. So I will be calculating the value of c from the range 0 to 3. So ultimately minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1 is reduced to 0 to 3 f of x dx equal to 1. And what is the function for 0 to 3? The function is 3cx square to be integrated between 0 to 3 and which is equated with 1. So what is integration of x square? Integration of x square is x cube by 3. 3 cancel हो गया. X cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 0 is 27. C into 27 is equal to 1. So what is C is equal to? C is equal to 1 upon 27. ये बात clear हुई क्या? Value of C is less than 1. 1 upon 27 means less than 1. How is the function defined as? Function is defined as f of x is equal to c into x square. C का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 upon 27. So 3 upon 27 कितना आता है? 1 by what is c upon 1? C is 1 upon 27. 3c x square. So put the value 3 into 1 upon 27 into x square. So what does this function becomes? Yes,
x square by 9.
x square by 9. 3 by 27 is 1 by 9. So function is x square by 9. What is the value for range 0 less than equal to x less than 3? Now we will check whether this exists or not. 0 का value 0 upon 9 कितना होता है? 0. और highest value में अगर 3 लेता हूं तो 3 का square कितना होता है? 9. 9 by 9 is 1. यानी ये पूरे रेंज में जो भी वैल्यू मैं लूंगा अपना प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना होगा? हाईएस्ट 1. Will it exceed 1?
No.
No. So that means this is the correct density function for the given range 0 less than equal to x less than 3. Is the point clear? वैसे उन्होंने बोला है तो ज्यादा चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. In the previous example wherein what we have done is, can this be a distribution function? उन्होंने question पूछा था. Therefore we calculated the value for small f of x and we checked whether the value exists for the range or not. In these particular examples, there is no need to check the values, but still for the verification or validation purpose, I am showing you that yes, this probability function will not go beyond 1 in spite of taking the highest value as 3. 3 square is 9, 9 by 9 is 1, and lowest value is 0, 0 by 9 is 0. So probability function or density function, this f of x, is lying between 0 to 1 once you calculate the value of c as 1 upon 27. Is this clear to everybody? So we have calculated the first value, that is c. We have calculated the density function, though it was on the second number, but still it was mandatory for us to first get the density function, because from that density function only we will be calculating the value of constant c. Two quantities are obtained. What is the third value they have asked? Probability x greater than 1. Now here the highest value of the range is up to, the function is existing up to what? Function
3.
exists up to 3. So greater than 1 means it will go up to 3. So probability for x greater than 1 will be written as 1 less than x less than 3. So how it will be integrated? It will be integrated between 1 to 3. Integration from 1 to 3 f of x dx. How is my density function now? My density function is x square by 9. What is integration of this x square keeping 1 by 9 outside? X square ka integration is x cube by 3, and solve it. What answer you are getting over here? After integration, probability for x greater than 1 is 26 by 27. Clear this value? अभी secondly उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? Probability for the range 1 less than x less than 2. How it will be done? Integral from 1 to 2 between the limits for the given function f of x. Given function is between the range 0 to 3. 1 and 2 are between 0 and 3. So therefore obviously we will be integrating the same function x square by 9 between the range 1 to 2. फंक्शन कौन से रेंज के लिए वैलिड है वो भी साइमल्टेनियसली चेक करना जरूरी है. वी आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी बिटवीन 1 to 2. Our function exists between 0 to 3. 1 to 2 are in between 0 and 3. Therefore, the same function will be taken. What is that function defined by? That function is defined by x square by 9. So therefore, integral between 1 to 2 x square by 9 dx. What is again integration of x square? Integration of x square is x cube by 3. And the answer comes out to be 7 by 27. So probability for the range 1 less than x less than 2 is 7 by 27. Clear up to this? So this is one of the example related to the continuous random variable. Mostly you will be coming across with the examples related to the continuous random variable. Discrete random variable ka one example we have done. K square, 7k, 2k. Therein we calculated the value of k after taking down summation of all the values and equated with 1. Lastly क्या पूछा है? Probability for 0 less than x less than 2. So integrate between 0 to 2. Our range is 0 to 3. The interval 0 to 2 is in between 0 to 3. So again the value of function f of x will be taken as x square by 9. 1 by 9 outside. Integration for x square is x cube by 3. Put the limit as 0 to 2. Here it is 0 to 2. क्या पूछा है? 0 to 2 पूछा है कि 1 to 2 पूछा है? 0 to 2. So put the limit as 0 to 2. Here I will put the limit as 0 to 2. So it will be 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So accordingly 8 by 27 is the answer. 8 by 27 minus 0. The answer comes out to be 8 by 27. I hope the question is clear to everybody. How it will be done? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so integration will be done. पहले आपको density function निकालना है from the distribution function. Calculate the value of c. Once you get the value of c, the density function is defined again in a different manner, and then calculate the respective probabilities what they have asked. The respective probabilities are nothing but integration between that particular range considering the given density function. That is how the expected answer is. So this was one of the example related to the the density function which they have asked with the help of the continuous random